India, a land of different beautiful faces, telling different beautiful stories. From its far northeast lies a small, peace-loving state I call home. A proud daughter of Manipur, a land shaped by the strength of its women. Kurumjari Namaste. I am Danube Kangjam representing India at Miss Asia Pacific International 2025. When my health nearly took away all that I loved, a stronger force lifted me this time to rise and to speak for the thousands without homes and the children whose dreams were stolen from my homeland. I want them to see themselves in me and believe they can still dream while healing. Pursuing law gave me more than knowledge. It taught me to see justice as a responsibility, giving me the power to question, to lead, and strive for a more just and harmonious world. Strength isn't about never breaking, but rebuilding with deeper grace, and I carry the faces and story of every person who dared to cut through storms and rise again. I am Danube Kangjam, and this is not just my introduction. This is where I step